No.
Come here. You say you want to foreplay? I'm gonna give you foreplay. Come here.
That's your motherfucking problem now. You play too motherfucking much. Damn. Can you be serious? Motherfucking irritating. Move. Fuck off me. Move.
Man,
All I asked you to do was give me a kiss, rub my titty, and smack my ass. Is that so hard to do?
Smack your ass.
Fuck.
You know that's what you want.
Oh, so we playing now? I'm just bullshit. I'm bushing your motherfucking do it again here, bitch.
Wait,
Me like you got
go ahead, you
motherfucking
got
problem.
it.
Baby King Kong face, bitch.
Hell.
Don't come back over here.
Shut up.
Yeah, whatever. Let me get my ass in the shower. No, the fuck you. Move the
Go
fuck
ahead.
off my porch,
I'm
bitch.
waiting on my ride.
Your
Damn.
knock-kneed ass better walk.